Oh, it's a big show. Let's do that. Did I change? Okay, okay. Flip. Oh my fudge. Invite people to host. Okay, any questions? Welcome, Sia. Okay, let's get it. We on. I'm gonna mess it up anyway. So what are we gonna talk about today? So I just started this live about 5 minutes ago. See, I'm not sure how this invite thing works, but if you have any specific questions that you want to ask, let me know. Can I do this? Yeah. Let me know. Then I'm not sure if you guys maybe want to. I see there's an invite thingy here, but I don't think I can send the invite to anyone. Only suggested friends. Okay, so first question. There was a question I think I got. I don't know when, but I just want to share this picture with you. Okay, so this was. Okay, here we go. So this is a person who asked unstable connection. Sorry if there's a lag or something, but I think it's because it's Friday, so now we get this type of vibe. So this person asks, failed maths last year, and I referred this person to my YouTube videos and also the videos here on TikTok, and also to YouTube videos, and refer him to a link that is in my bio. Okay, so if you're gonna go check it out, go check it out. But if you have any other questions, what I get ask, okay. But what I get a lot nowadays is the questions on syllabus stuff and all of those things. So I try my best to answer those things. The best place to ask maybe is to go to the Q&A section in the bio. If you tap on the, then you'll be able to, I think it's best if you go there, but you must be really specific. Okay, so here's a topical question that I've received over the years, like need help, but it's a really vague one. Okay, but it's a combination of things that will make you that will help you to succeed in passing math. Let me just, excuse me, there's something I need to do now. Okay, you see it for 12 minutes. Next, start. So yeah, so this is a question that you get, that I get. Okay, so it's going to be a combination of things that you'll have to do to succeed. Okay, not just memorizing things, not just practicing your math every day. It's not that type of vibe. Okay, so it's stuff maybe at home or at school. Maybe your teacher's not putting in much effort. Somebody complained on, or somebody dropped I'm not sure if it's a message or email or comment, where the teacher just wrote stuff on the board and then left and said, okay, figure it out, which is kind of sad. Okay, you get teachers like that, they do stuff like that. So here's a question, please help with excuse me, Factorist. I think I've posted a few videos, should go check it out. But if you have like a question, like be specific. Okay, you say Factorist, it's factorization. You probably wanted to type that, but if it's a question like that, then I suggest you go to the Q&A section. Then you also put the grading and also what you're struggling with. If it's like for somebody who was really specific, loss in this week, say the difference between two squares, a grade 9, and I made that video within a few minutes. But if you're gonna say, somebody asks, also in the Q&A section, somebody asks, what there was a question, it was basically just saying grade 11 trigonometry, and I think it was simple and compound. I'm like, that's a lot. You'll have to be specific when it comes to that question. Okay, other thing is, so here we have this question. Okay, person needs help with math, but like I said, it's a combination of a few things that you'll have to do at the end of the day. So it's maybe at home, it's maybe at if you're working, if you're not a full-time student at school, maybe it's things at home that is affecting your studies. Okay, so think of it that way. Okay, it's a recipe. The recipe to pass your math is a combination of a lot of things. Think of it as a cake. There's a few things you need. It's sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, chocolate powder, vanilla essence, and eggs, and all of those other things. Okay, and water, or whatever the case may be. So it's not just one thing. Like a few years ago, I went to a speed dating event, and one of the people I interviewed was a teacher, and she said, the typical things teachers sayings, like, practice and repetition. And I'm like, that's not true. Okay, there's a few things you'll have to figure out. But at school, teachers are most of the teachers are chasing the syllabus, and they also they have to stick to the program. Okay, and they don't have, if they have 40 kids in a class, or then it's challenging to focus like individually on them. They can only make assumptions via tests that will have to run. So this is a typical question I'm getting. Okay, that's why I wrote this book. Link is in the bio. Okay, so here's another one. Let me see if I can pop up another one. If you have any other questions, please ask. Somebody asked, for instance, meetkunde. Ruan, what is trigonometry? Is it? I haven't heard that word quite in a while. So is that geometry, right? Geometry. Yeah. So, like, if you have a question, you go to the Q&A section, go drop that question there, but put a grade there. Like, you are being very, very, I won't say vague or something, but say, if you're gonna say meetkunde, then you need to say what grade. Okay, go to the Q&A, put there meetkunde, grade 9, grade 10, grade 11. But if you, let's say, for instance, you want to talk about I think they call it, I'm not, like I see, I can't say something because you might not be in grade 11, but in grade 11 there is a section called Euclidean geometry, Euclidische meetkunde. En daar's 'n paar theorems wat jy daar moet ken. Okay, paar stellings. Jy moet dit memoriseer en ja, maar ek weet nog nie watter graad jy is nie. So jy moet vir my gaan na die Q&A section hier op TikTok. As jy TikTok Q&A klik en dan vat dit vir jou mos nou na vragie doen, dan vra jy vraag daar. Okay, maar sit die graad daar en ook as jy spesifieker is, dan kan ek spesifieke antwoord vir jou gee. Van ek het die tyd om 'n klomp video's te maak hier. Okay. So this is a typical question I get. So let me just show you something else. I need to be very careful here that I don't go. So if you have any other questions, I'm gonna end this live in about. So here's another one. Grade 8. Okay, so you say meetkunde, but and grade 8. Okay, so remember there's quite a few, daar's 'n klomp sub hoofstukke. Onthou die hoofstuk se naam is miskien dalk meetkunde, maar onthou daar's 8.1 of 6.1 hoofstuk en dan hoofstuk 7.1 of wat ook al. Okay, but like I said, be very specific. Okay, so here's another question I got. This person commented, this was on TikTok, where the person is asking, what can I do like I don't understand math. So it's a few combinations, few things that you'll have to do in order for you to succeed. Okay, so yeah, you can talk English, it's fine. Okay, no problem. Ask a question. So, okay. Wadu Joe. I don't know what's Wadu Joe. Anyway, yeah, so I think the best thing is go to the Q&A section, like I said, put the chapter there, like Ruan said, meetkunde grade 8, but remember geometry is a very big chapter, so I have to be really specific. Okay, you can't just say, you'll have to say quadrilaterals or something like that. Then also the other thing I want to mention, so yeah, so this is I might answer this. I like to answer things in a video form, and maybe I'll answer this question in a video form because this is a typical question I do get. But see, sometimes I repeat myself, and then that's why I wrote this book. Okay, you can get it on Takealot. Okay, let me see if there's another question. Reeks, reeks ondernemer. There's an Afrikaans program that's going to be broadcasted in, I think, July or later this month. And I was chosen to be in that program. So I'm testing my I'm really bad at it because I'm mixing it up a little bit. Okay, so yeah, somebody's asking, I'm writing math on Tuesday and I'm not confident at all. Next week Tuesday. Yeah, so you have time. Okay. But see if there's anything on TikTok that might help you. If you click on Just Pass Math, there's a hashtag I specifically created for these videos. Hashtag Just Pass Math. If you click on it, there's gonna be a few videos that's gonna pop up. Yes, do a few things that you usually boost your confidence. If it's a female that you'll have to talk to, one of your people in class, do something that will increase your confidence level. So there was a specific movie on that. It's a really really old movie, but I love watching it at least every second or third year. It's called Beautiful Mind, and that it's a mathematician, but I don't know, they have this type of disease. Then he will write on windows, and I'm not sure if you've watched that movie. You should go watch it. But for me, that was cool. Is helping people solve. Is that one? Yeah, it's almost like it's played in scenarios, some type of World War II scenario. Yeah, you will have to do a few things to boost your confidence level. Okay, maybe it's because also it might also be like one of the chapters. Sorry for referring to my book all the time, but one of the chapters I mentioned is how can you love it. It's sometimes it's maybe you don't understand it. Okay, and lack of confidence come in basically. It is, yeah, because you struggle. Why do you struggle? Maybe you need to put in more effort. So this weekend you will have to put in more effort, okay, so that you can overcome, so that you can boost your confidence level a little bit. Okay, so if you so this is the advice I have everybody in on the platform. Go to the Q&A section, ask your question, because if you can find a book on takealot.com. So if I finish this, if I'm finished with this live, you go to my profile, there's going to be a link. It will say order my book something, and then there's a link, and then you click on it, it will take you directly to order your copy of my book. But it's for probably your next question will be for what grade it is. It's for if you can read it and you want to improve, then it will be suited for you, because it consists of words and emoji, and it's for parents and for learners. Okay. Yeah, so I think that's that. That is called a Flash Friday. I'm trying to do this every Friday, but it's challenging to say what time and what time because my schedule is a little bit random. That's why I keep it really short, so that I can keep it focused, so that I can have questions like this. Okay, talk about this. But thank you very much for popping in. It is 15 minutes, 5:15, and I have to go now. But if you have any other questions, like pop it in the Q&A section. Peace out.